What if I told you there are websites that can pay you today? Not next week, not next month, today. And some of them require no experience at all. In this video, I'll show you 7 websites that are helping people earn money online every single day. Let's get into it. If you're looking for a side hustle, extra income, or a way to start making money online, this video is for you. The websites on this list are beginner-friendly and can be used from home with just a laptop or smartphone. Let's start with number 7. SproutGigs is one of the easiest platforms for beginners. You can earn money by completing simple tasks, such as testing apps, watching videos, data entry, social media engagement. The tasks don't pay huge amounts individually, but they can add up over time. If you're completely new to online income, this is a great place to start. Clickworker pays users to complete micro-jobs online. These jobs include writing short texts, categorizing data, internet research, AI training tasks. The platform is flexible, and you can work whenever you want. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelance websites in the world. You can sell services such as AI-generated content, logo design, video editing, social media management, voiceovers. Many people start with small gigs and eventually build full-time businesses. Have you ever visited a website and thought it was confusing? Companies pay users to test websites and apps and provide feedback. Most tests only take a few minutes. You simply record your screen, share your thoughts, and get paid. As artificial intelligence grows, companies need people to help train AI systems. That's where Remotasks comes in. Users can complete tasks involving image labeling, data annotation, AI training. This is one of the fastest-growing online work categories today. Upwork is one of the biggest freelance marketplaces available. Businesses hire freelancers for writing, marketing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants. If you have any skill that can be delivered online, Upwork can help you find clients. Respondent is one of the highest-paying platforms on this list. Companies and researchers pay users to participate in studies and interviews. Some opportunities can pay significantly more than typical survey websites. That's why it takes the #1 spot. Here's a mistake most beginners make. They sign up for 20 websites and never focus on one. Instead, choose one platform. Learn it. Build experience. Get your first payment. Then expand. That's how real online income is built. These were 7 websites that can help you start earning online. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Hustle Academy for more side hustles, AI tools, and online business ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.